Oh, would you look at that? The trailer hitch even comes with its own cardboard box that you can put underneath there if you don't have a moving blanket or something else. Sweet. If you're going to be working on the ground there, put something down, some cardboard. What I have here is a nice moving blanket. I'm going to change out the hitch. Well, I'm going to add a hitch. Got all my tools ready. The new bag, awesome. And I have my hitch. It's going to sit underneath this, because this is a small adapter here. This is an 06 Ford Explorer. We're going to change it out, get a better hitch on this. Wish me luck. Alright, the tools you'll be needing. 06 Ford Explorer to put this 1/2 inch. That's to get the bolt for your connection. And then 3/4 socket, 3/4 wrench, just in case you can't get the, and glasses. Yeah, put glasses on. You're gonna want to remove your existing wire harness with the nut up here, loosen it, remove this out of the way, and reinstall your bolt. Just take your time when you're putting in this plate and your bolt. You're gonna go through the other side over here, through that hole facing outside your truck. And you're gonna have to put the plate down on the wire here in order to get it through that hole. But have your wire, the connecting wire, through this hole down here before you do that. And then you just maneuver the plate through that hole and drop it down, and then you can bring your bolt through. It's pretty simple and easy. And here comes the tricky part. I put the wire, the fishing wire, through the place where that bolt is going to connect onto. Once I have it lifted up there, at that point, I'm going to put something underneath the hitch to hold it up there for me, so I can take off the fishing wire and install the washer in the nut up onto that, so I can take the fishing wire off and install the washer in the nut. If you have somebody to give you a hand doing this, that'd be even better. You know, good thing there was a little hole right over here on this side towards your spare tire that I reached in and was holding down the bolt with that, holding down the bolt, because taking that wire off was like pushing the bolt up into the frame, and didn't want to do that. We got the washer and the nut put on this side. I just have to do the same with the other side. Put your hand down in there and you can hold the bolt down through there, and you can just hold the bolt so you can get the washer and the nut on. Pretty tricky, but got rid of it. I got the one bolt up there, up in there. You can see the bolt. See that it's connected on. This other side over here, giving me a little bit of a jamming issue when I lifted it up there. The bolt isn't quite lining up with the hole. I sprayed a little bit of WD-40 on this over here. It seemed like it was rubbing, connecting over here, rubbing a good bit. It's nice and tight, real tight fit. I guess that's why they call it draw tight. So, see, okay, draw tight. There you go. That's why they call it draw tight. Okay, but I sprayed a little bit of WD-40 on there. I'll spray a little bit more and then try to push it up there myself. I did have my tool bag underneath it, but it just kept on getting in the way. But since I have that washer and nut over on that side, it's good to go. I just still have that lead down through there, so I don't push it up into the frame. And if I do push it up into the frame, I can just pull it right back down with that wire. That's a really cool feature. I don't know if that recorded or not, but I'll try it again. I fished it through using that hole over there, and like I said, I did it just in the opposite direction, and then I put the plate on and screwed on to the fishing wire the bolt, and I pulled it through. Like I said, use some safety glasses because it's got a pointy end over there, and you don't want that pointy end getting in your eye. The moment I seen that wire, I was like, nope, get my safety glasses. Yeah, fishing it through from there over into here is a lot easier, and then you connect your plate and then your carriage bolt and then fish it through right there using the wire. Take your time, it'll get there. And just when you think it won't go through, it does. Yeah, it takes a little bit of time, a little bit of pushing it back through that way, and then bringing it through and twisting your wire just a little bit. I didn't tighten this one here up as far as I did the other one, but yeah, it came through. It takes a little bit of MacGyvering, a little finagling, and just be delicate with it. Give it a minute. Don't stress it out. Take your time, and it'll pull through. Like I said, fishing it through where you connect your bolt, fishing it through here over to this other side over here, and then pulling it through is a lot easier than the other way. Yeah, a lot easier. Oh, my goodness. So go ahead and do that. I'm gonna connect the nuts and the washer on this one here now. I've already got okay, that one put on. See how easy it is? If I can do it, you can do it. Yeah. Easy peasy. Like I said, That wire, as soon as I seen that wire, that tip on that wire, yeah, I put on safety glasses. Put on safety glasses. I can't stress that enough. It doesn't say in the directions to put on safety glasses, but yes, you need safety glasses. Be on the safe side. Now I'm going to connect that and then tighten them up as much as I can until I get a torque wrench. I will not haul anything unless I get a torque wrench to tighten it up to the correct specifications, if it says so. But we got, you know, the bolts on, the nuts on, and the bolts in the correct fashion. I'll see how it goes, eh? I just picked this one here up at Harbor Freight and Pittsburgh. Worked out well. 75 foot-pounds of torque. That's what the draw tight hitch for an 06 Ford Explorer XLT. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. All right. Thumbs up if it helped. Y'all have a great evening. Be sure to give a like. Add any comments that you want. Glasses on.